Thank you for your interest in AirSkirts for your RV skirting needs. Let's take a look at how AirSkirts are set up on a Class A, B, or C RV. AirSkirts are a new type of skirting that inflates under your rig so you don't have to drill holes or use unsightly hardware store solutions. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to set up your AirSkirts kit on your motorized RV. AirSkirts kits work on any RV, including travel trailers and motorhomes. Be sure to check out our other setup guides to see how AirSkirts fits your RV. Before installing your kit, inspect the underside of your RV carefully for any sharp edges that could puncture your AirSkirts. Cover sharp corners and edges with the included protective material. If your RV is equipped with a generator, be sure to wrap its exhaust with fiberglass muffler tape. Next, lay out all of your tubes under your RV according to the diagram. You'll be using a combination of 2, 4, 6, and 8-foot tubes to create a perfect fit. It may be easier to position the tubes correctly with the help of another person. To inflate any AirSkirts component, simply connect the included pump to the valve and power it on. When inflating the tube under your sewer connection, leave the sewer hose connected, then inflate. And in less than 45 minutes, your RV is skirted for the season. If you have any questions or you're ready to order, we're here for you. Call us today at 833-4-SKIRTS or visit us at airskirts.com.